Guys, my name is Angelina Dominic Roderick and you're watching She Beyond Your League. So today's video is going to be extreme quarantine transformation. We are going to change and clear this pretty mess that this pandemic has given us. So since last 5 months, March to now, that's August, I have been sitting at home only. I have not gone for any of my shows and anything like that. I've just been home safe and sound, and I finally thought let's just get up and start shooting. और उसके लिए like बैठे I got this idea, like just if I'm going to do all these things, obviously I'm going to do all these things. I thought why not make a video out of it. Here I am. So before starting this video, I would like to tell you guys that some of these products that I am using today in this video are like, some of them are bought by me and some of them are from my PR, and this PR is from Medulla, most of the products, and this PR I had got around 1 year ago. Let me check it out in my IGTV, and that is when like I remember कि वो time पे भी ये products बहुत अच्छे चले थे, like literally very good, like much better than Veet. So yeah, let's just jump into it. This video affordable, like these things that I'm going to use, like to shave, to raise and all these things. I thought like I will just use all the affordable products. These are all affordable products, but for the makeup, that is going to be the second part of this video. Like it's going to be in this video itself, but I'm going to do it tomorrow. उसके लिए जो मैं transformation करने वाली हूँ, the products that I'm going to use, those products might be affordable, might not be. Like I'll try to make it affordable. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get back to the video finally. Shave my eyebrows, also shave my whole face, and yeah, पहले मैं पार्लर जाती थी. I used to wax my whole face, and उससे पहले मैं razors use करती थी. So this is gonna be the very first time me using face razors, and I'm pretty like scared, if you guys say, because I've never really done this. And whenever I use razors like on my hand and stuff too, मैं अपने आप को काटते पीते रहती हूँ. मैं even going to shave these off. As you guys can see. Also, we are going to do a little bit of skincare and makeup and transform myself to get rid of my hair, and I tied them up in a ponytail. And first product that we are going to use is the Tinkle razor. I got it from Amazon. All the links will be in the description, and also I'll be mentioning their prices right here. And these razors come in a pack of 3. One is blue, one is pink, and one is yellow. I am literally scared. I can't be trusted with these products, because like मैं अपने आप को काटती पीटती रहती हूँ, literally like खून निकालती रहती हूँ whenever I use razor on my hand and stuff still. So actually I get very reckless, like if I'm using the razor, I'm कर रही हूँ, I'm very impatient, and then it's not happening. I'm like हो जाना जल्दी. So I just feel like फिर कट जाता है, खून निकल जाता है. So yeah, let's see how this works for me.
Blue one, and it comes with a guard like this, and it's very sharp, like very sharp. Also, like I've seen videos wherein they use aloe vera gel or some oil like that, essential oil, and then they do the shaving. But I've also seen people who do it on dry skin, so I'm going to try, and I'm going to see like which type of person I am, like मेरे को किस चीज़ से जमता है. See, पहले dry skin पे try करते हैं. मुझे नहीं पता, मेरे को कोई idea नहीं how this thing works. So yeah, नहीं भाई ये बहुत sharp है. I need to use aloe vera gel, and if you're doing this for the first time, I guess you really need to use aloe vera gel, because this is very sharp. Like just these, should I see, just these things on my knees, I eat them. Just these things over here, as soon as they touch your skin, it's like very sharp. So I guess I need to put the aloe vera gel. So for the aloe vera gel, I'm going to use the Patanjali aloe vera gel. I'm just going to take a little. पहले एक साइड तक ट्राई करके देखती हूँ. Okay. कोई काम कर जाए. I'm so scared.
रख नहीं, मेरे बाल आ रहे हैं. So guys can see. Oh my god. You guys can see the tiny bit of my hair that is coming out. But I feel it's too slow यार. मैं बहुत reckless हूँ.
Guys, ना aloe vera gel जल्दी dry हो जाता है. So I'm going to use aloe vera gel again.
तो मुझे just पता चला कि I am out of tissue papers. So I'm just going to remove all this hair on my cotton pad. I don't know if you guys can see, छोटा सा है. फिर I'm just going to get back to this. मैंने और aloe vera gel लगा लिया है. Oh my god, this is to be used like that. Okay, so guys, मैं डर के I wasn't if you guys can see now it's working. मैं डर के I was not putting pressure and I wasn't keeping it slant. तो अभी ये निकल रहा है बहुत अच्छे से. You need to keep it like this. You need to hold it like this and then go all about it. और साथ ही एलोवेरा जेल को भी निकाल गया है. Oh my god, can you guys see this? Oh my god, you guys are not going to believe this. Just look at this. It works! But itni gandagi. It's so nasty. But you have to do what you have to do. Guys, a little bit of update. Look at this side and look at this side. You guys can literally see the difference. I'm so happy. मैं सोच रही हूँ साइड बंस को भी थोड़ा सा शेप शेप दे दूँ, थोड़ा सा शेप कर दूँ. Let's see how that goes. But as of now you guys can see यहाँ पे कितने बाल है. Oh my god, this was so satisfying, you know. You just have to hold the razor like this. I'm thinking इसको देख के कि क्या है. Razor like this and put a little pressure. If you don't put pressure, you will be scared and you won't be able to remove anything. Just look at this. मैंने डरना छोड़ दिया तो ये कितने satisfyingly बाहर आया है. Oh my god, it was amazing. I feel so cute and smooth and stuff like that. अब ये मूछी भी निकालनी है. So I will show you guys how I remove it from this side and then we will get back to the moochie, eyebrows and all the interesting things. Ta-da! I'll be back. I don't know. So guys, you have to put a lot of aloe vera gel in order to remove that. And मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं कि मैं ये साइड कैसे करने वाली हूँ, बिकॉज ये साइड बहुत ईजी था. हो गया. पहले बहुत डिफिकल्ट लग रहा था, अब ये साइड करना है. सो आई एम रियली टेंस. लेट्स सी ऐसे करते हैं ना, तो ऐसे करते हैं. आई एम ट्राइंग.
Yeah, This is the most effective and easy way to do this at home. Like literally for me as a model मेरे को like पार्लर जाना पड़ता था बार बार फेस वैक्स कराने के लिए, बट फिर भी मैं बहुत लेजी थी तो मैं like I used to go only every 3-4 months. If I would have tried this earlier, it would be so much more easier for me, like literally.
Can you guys see how clean that is now? See? This is all this is the hair that's stuck because of the aloe vera gel. But when I'll wash my face, you guys will see. Now I'll just do my mochi mochi. This is also going to be a task. I just applied aloe vera gel on my mochi. Now let's see. नहीं यार easy है.
One eternity later.
Guys, so pretty much I've done my mochi. बस ये side और ये side like the corners पे मैंने छोड़ दिया है because it's very complicated and this is the first time I'm doing it, so I need to have the practice of doing it and also learn how to do it nicely. So I guess, and these are very tiny hairs, so I guess I will just remove them with the wax that I have. And now we will be moving forward to my forehead and my eyebrows. So let's see how that goes. So I tied my hair up in a bun for this, and this will give me like, you know, it will just take all the hair away from my forehead. And I was thinking of removing off my baby hair, then I saw a video which said like you shouldn't. So I was thinking नहीं करते, पता नहीं, देखते हैं क्या मूड करता है मेरा. So yeah. So guys, I washed my face and as you guys can see, I'm really happy with the result. It takes a little time, like you have to get used to it. You just need to know the proper, like, you know, angle of you shaving, and then is when all the hairs come out and you get more confidence once you come to know about the angle. मुझे थोड़ा सा एक ही कट हुआ यहाँ पे, छोटा सा, यहाँ से थोड़ा सा खून निकला बस. And yeah, I loved it. Like it's so painless, so amazing. It just like you need to put aloe vera gel, I think. But I also see the people who are like, you know, using it on dry skin. I guess उनको ज़्यादा habit होगी. They might be habitual of it, and that's the reason it's very easy for them to do that. But as a beginner, you need to use aloe vera gel. That is what I would like to suggest to you guys, and you need to keep it like this and put pressure like I showed you guys before. Also now the next step that I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Medulla nose pore strips, and this is a cute little animal print strip, and we're going to use this for our pores, for cleaning our pores. This will remove all black hairs, white hairs. So for using this, you need to wet your nose like I did, and then you just need to open it. It's very easy. Remove the strip. It has a plastic cover here, and obviously this side is a sticker, so you just peel this off and you apply this on your nose. Wetting your nose, you just have to take this like this and apply it here, keep it over here. stick it properly to your nose. Okay. So you gotta keep this for around 10-15 minutes. Let it dry for around 10-15 minutes. And yeah, then we will just peel it off, and it's very satisfying. Like, it's the most satisfying thing ever. Okay, so next what we are going to do until this dries up, we are going to do my brows. Yay! So guys, coming back to the brows, I'm going to use the Color Essence Brow Styler 3-in-1. I don't know where I kept my spoolie, so that's the reason I'm going to use the spoolie that's in this. So yeah, what I was telling you guys is that I haven't grown my eyebrows so much. Like, unibrows हुए हैं कभी कभी when I'm very lazy to go to the parlor and stuff like that, but इतने कभी grow होने नहीं दिया मैंने 10th standard के बाद. I always had unibrows and I used to feel that, you know, I am. Everyone used to tell me that I'm very lucky. Wow, you have unibrows and stuff like that. But I didn't just like the way it looked, and also, like, you know, I wanted to get rid of it. I wanted to do my eyebrows and stuff like that. So मैंने ये बार सोचा that I will own up to it. As an adult, I want to own up to the uniqueness I have in me. So yeah, I thought of doing one look with it. So first I'm going to just use the spoolie. Now, after I have brushed them, I'm going to use a scissor, a small little eyebrow scissor, and I'm going to cut off. Sorry, I need to get used to this. Okay, I need to cut off the excess. So today I'm just gonna style them, like, you know, give them a little cut where it's necessary. I'm not going to, you know, separate them or anything like that. I'm just going to give them a cut. And I'll try not to mess them up, because I've been doing that like since a long time now. I sometimes do my brows घर पे, मतलब मैं रेज़र मार देती हूँ अगर कोई शूट रहेगा, इमरजेंसी रहेगा. So I just, like, you know, take my scissors, take my plucker, and just cut and remove everything I don't want. So once I'm done doing the excess, removing the excess hair, I'm going to take my plucker and I'm going to remove all these small hairs. This is the final eyebrow look. I guess I did a very decent job. I also used the razor. I ended up using the razor for the lower eyebrow hairs, and yeah, it worked pretty good. There was nothing much that I did. I just used a little bit of aloe vera gel and I then did it. I will get used to the razor very soon, and then is when I will make a proper face shaving video. This was my first time using it, and I gave you all tips and tricks how much ever I understood and learned throughout it. So yeah, this was the end of shaving my face and my eyebrows. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove this. Okay. Ow. Mama. यहाँ तक ठीक रहता है, फिर आगे जाके इतना दुखता है ना यार. The middle part is the worst. This is fine. You guys can see my eyes are watering. Ow, ow, ow. Oh my god, oh my god. Wow, like yucks, but wow. So these are all my blackheads and whiteheads. I don't know if you guys can see it, probably not, but this is it. Yeah, I'll just show you guys with the back cam, very like close up. You guys can see the blackheads and the whiteheads. Yes, I'm trying to focus it. Yeah, I can even see the tiny of my tiniest hairs of my nose. That I'm in pain a lot. You guys can see my eyes are watering until now. But it was worth it. I feel very light like on my nose. It feels really good and soft. Finally, कब से like 5 महीने से blackheads और whiteheads मेरे नाक पे नाच रहे हैं. So I feel like pores are open and clean. Finally. Next, I'm going to use this product from Medulla itself, and it's the Dark Angel Peel Off Mask. Dark Angel Charcoal Peel Off Mask. I will be mentioning the price down here, and also the link will be in description. Comes with a little spoon kind of thing, but I'm going to use this applicator of mine. How the charcoal mask looks like. It has a little bit of shine to it, as you guys can see, and I'm just going to use it on my face, apply it. मैंने ये अप्लाई कर लिया है. I have to keep this for 15 to 20 minutes or 20 to 25 minutes, and also it says that it removes dulling surface cells and impurities, while vitamins and plant extracts soften the cells to restore a youthful glow. So this is what it says. Let's see how this works. This dries up. I have a little bit of underarm hair that we will be removing with this product, that is Medulla ready to use face, underarms and bikini wax strips. It is in white chocolate. So this is how it looks. It is for face, underarms and bikini. It's a bikini wax strip also, and it has 20 strips, 10 double-sided strips and 4 wipes. Like you have to use it later, and we're going to use this. Link as usual in the description, and it's going to be very painful because it always is painful underarm hair. So these are the strips, and we're going to open this, and I'm literally telling you guys, this works much better than the wheat ones. Wheat is useless, like literally useless. Nothing happens, nor with those wax strips, nor with those cream laga ke, you have to remove that thing, nothing happens. So this is so satisfying. Yeah, we will do this. Okay, I'm going to do this. Yes. I don't know why I decided to wear a shirt for this. It's such a bride. And now the painful part. Oh my god. I'm so scared. So guys, this is the time I might die. ओके, मैंने बराबर नहीं लगाया था शायद, इसलिए थोड़ी बहुत रह गए हैं। Look at this, it came out.
One eternity later.
I don't know why it's not picking up all of it. Is that blood? Oh God, don't tell me मैंने हाथ से भी नहीं करा। Okay, let's try. Finally, finally.
Now I'm going to remove the other arm's underarm hair of camera and show you guys the result. This is the white that comes with the wax strips, which I'm going to use now. It's meant to remove all the stickiness of the product that we just used from the wax strips. And yeah, this wax strips is really good. Like, it's okay for the grade, and it's much better than the wheat ones. Like, literally I can bash them up. The number of tries I gave for these wax strips, अगर मैं उतने ही tries wheat वालों को देखी ना, नहीं, like इतने से बाल निकलते हैं, और वो भी after those medicines, and these are amazing. This is the amount of hair it needs is amazing. Now the only hairs that are left are these small tiny hairs, so I would really recommend this to you guys.
This mask off, like थोड़ा बहुत गीला है, but it's okay. Just want to peel this off. Oh, this is actually. Ouch! When you have like tiny bits of hair, it pains a lot while peeling this off. You know, ये क्या किया मैंने? मतलब मैंने खुद निकाल दिया. Okay, so guys, it's already 2 o'clock now. I'm going to film the second part of this video, as I told you guys, tomorrow in the morning, which will just be like 2 minutes for you guys. Like, you won't watch this video itself. But this video is also like a vlog kinda, and because I'm doing this whole transformation thing, it's gonna be a little bit bigger video. Yeah. Ouch. Oh my God. Okay, so when this thing happens, it's because at this part it wasn't dry. Okay. Yeah. Oh my God, that's a lot of fun. Oh. But it's painful at the same time. I can't now. यहाँ पे भी ड्राई नहीं हो रहा है. बहुत कहीं से तो नहीं निकल रहा है. ये मास्क सारे डेड सेल्स को निकाल देता है, डेड सेल्स को. And you can literally see it on this mask. If I'm able to show you guys, I'll show you guys. Can you guys see this? How is this in the mouth? How is this land up in the mouth? Am I eating things? How did this land? ये जो छोटे से डिफरेंट पीसेस है, ये मैं निकाल दूँगी पानी से ऊपर. अब देखते हैं इसमें कुछ दिखने लायक है क्या. नहीं गाइस, ये पूरा चुरमुर हो गया है, तो इसमें आई डोंट थिंक will be able to see anything. Yeah, I can see, but I don't know if you guys can see. I can see tiny bits of hair in it, which you guys obviously can't see. I can see a little bit and then tiny bits of hair. Anyways, I'm gonna throw this off, wash my face, and get back to you guys. I'll just apply the moisturizer. Oh, after the most bad day. Then we'll add up some moisturizer and go to sleep, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning then, okay? But now.
Literally no idea how good my skin feels. Like literally it feels so good right now. Oh my god. Like कि पूरे 5 महीने का ऐसा लगता पूरा स्ट्रेस पूरा निकल गया है बस. Like you know, removing all these hairs, these all dead skins and everything. Just look at how flawless my skin is looking right now. It feels so good. Like just look at this. No hair, nothing. Oh my god. I feel so halka. Like literally. Okay, so guys, moving on.
See you guys tomorrow.
Whoop. So guys, this is the second day and today we are gonna do the outfit and the makeup, and makeup will be a time lapse, like it will be very fast. So if you guys want to check the whole tutorial out, because I'm doing a mini glam tutorial today, and also I'm going to do the whole point of this video, the whole idea of this video is to change the way I look, like transform myself, look all glowed up and stuff like that. So I'm going to do the foxy eye makeup look and also fuller lips. So if you want to see the detailed tutorial, you guys can check out my IGTV video, which will be in the link in description. And also for my outfit, I'm going to wear this simple black dress because the makeup is going to be glam. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get back to the outfit I'm wearing. And also, if you guys didn't notice yet, I've cut my bangs, and this was the best decision ever. I cut it on my own and I didn't have the patience to wait until filming the video. That's the reason I cut it 1 month ago, and I will show you the look in some other video, because you guys know bangs and unibrows don't go well together. So yeah.
Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're what I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? For the wrong guys, they keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy.
Guys, this is my final look. I did my hair and my makeup, and if you guys want to see the tutorial of this makeup, I tried a foxy eye look and also fuller lips. The eyes are good, the eyebrow, the tail, the straightness is good. I like the hacks for that. I use some hacks over there, so you guys, if you guys are interested, you can go and watch that IGTV video. Also, I tried this foxy eye. I applied the lashes on top of the liner, like not on top of my actual eyelashes, but on top of the liner, if you guys can see here. So yeah, this was quite a hack and I loved it. I liked the lashes placement, I liked the eyebrow look, I liked, like I didn't like it that much, but the lip hack was okay for fuller lips. Like it was like theek hai. Okay, so this is my completed look. If you guys like it, do let me know. This was the video. If you guys liked the video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button and the bell icon if you guys want to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I will be uploading constantly on every Tuesdays and Saturdays, at least I'll try. So yeah, bye bye, thank you for watching.